guys, so we made it. We got sister right here, and we got some dope ass helicopter. So we're gonna go to a car museum, which is right in there. So
Are you guys vaccinated?
it'll be a good time. Alright, we're in. We're good. So a lot of cars everywhere. It's gonna be good. We'll get some cool shots. Got the cameras. Yeah, I might need that. I think we found the best car that I've ever had. They have the DeLorean. Look at. I would 100% take this thing. What's the date? October 26, 1985. We got the total James Bond car. We got the Bond wall. She's taking a selfie with the Bond wall. And then we got the Bond car. My favorite car right there. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I don't know what this is, guys, but I want one. Look at it. Look how it's got like the little stubby light. Oh, from this angle, it looks like a face. That's kind of creepy. So, James Bond exhibit, what do you think?
I loved it.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Would come again.
Guys, yeah. Very cool. They got the classic stuff. They got the new stuff. But there, you can't see. They've got all the cool stuff. Alrighty, overall, 10 out of 10 experience. What did you say? Yep. What about you?
Oh, hell yeah. So good.
So good. Oh, another car. Classy.
Upstairs.
Number 3. I want to go find that Lamborghini that was pulling in. It sounded really good. We got a Camaro.
I bet it's on the top floor somewhere.
Take a little detour around.
Do you want to go up that extra flight?
That's the museum. This is all the extra stuff you get for free.
Exactly.
Wander around all 3 or 4 floors.
All the way up.